Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Aravind. So in this video we are going to see about a hacking method that happens through exploiting the flaw through the Bluetooth. So the attack name is called Bluebugging. So in this video we are going to see detailedly about. So if you're new here, I am Aravind, this is Mr. Aravind. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So Bluebugging. This Bluebugging thread will lead hackers to read your chats, hear your calls and more. Once the phone or a device has been blue-bugged, the hackers will use a technique to overhear the calls and read and transmit the messages, modify it, and also the hackers can able to steal context from your mobile. First, let's see what is blue-bugging attack. Blue-bugging attack happens through Bluetooth. It is a process of exploiting the flaw in Bluetooth protocol. The hackers exploiting a flaw in Bluetooth to get your device blue-bugged. Once the device is blue-bugged, means the hacker can able to see or modify or transmit your messages and even he can able to hear the calls. It appears to be a serious concern for laptops and computers with Bluetooth connectivity. As well, apparently any gadget that has Bluetooth support can be blue-bugged and not just mobiles. Security researchers claiming that the bug was able to access the user's phone book and call history by exploiting the present in the Bluetooth protocol. The hacker tries to pair with the device with Bluetooth. Once the connection have been exploited, the hackers use brute force to bypass the authentications. If you want to avoid your device to get blue-bugged, by disabling Bluetooth and removing all the paired device when it is in not use, and more updating your system software on the device. Keep your device updated, limiting the usage of public Wi-Fi. So these things can able to protect you from your device getting blue-bugged. So that's about this video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions? Ask them in comments. I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off, I'm from Mr. Aravind.